Hey Jack, what are we doing today?
We're picking the giveaway winners.
Last week we took a break from posting art lessons, but we didn't want you to take a break from drawing, so what did we ask them to draw last week?
Draw Olympic stuff.
Yes, your favorite things about the Olympics. So are you ready to announce the winners?
Yeah.
The first winner is...
London.
Yeah, she's 9 years old and she loves drawing with us daily. In fact, their whole family loves drawing with us daily. What did she draw a picture of?
Ice skating.
Yeah, it's her favorite thing. And she even drew the little thought bubbles for the ice skaters, what they're thinking during their event.
Yeah.
This one loves being in the spotlight, and her partner is jealous. All right, you ready to announce the second winner?
Yes.
Okay, who is it?
Jacob.
Jacob's 10 years old, and he loves the skiing events, but his favorite was the ski jump. And he did an awesome job. You know what my favorite part of this was?
What?
The shadow. He drew the little cast shadow, and it's way below
yeah.
the skier, so you can tell he's up really high in the air. What's your favorite part?
The skier.
The skier. I really like all the details on the skier, too. Now, the third winner is...
RJ.
RJ is 7 years old. And what did he draw?
A snowboarder.
Yeah, I love the details that he added to his drawing and the coloring. And I really love all of the snowflakes. There's a lot on this page.
Yeah.
Drew a ton.
Yeah.
You ready to announce the fourth winner?
Yes.
Okay, who is it?
Ronan.
Ronan is 6 years old, and he did awesome too. I love the coloring. What's his favorite event?
Curling.
Curling. Curling's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Now, I love all of the details he did on his drawing, especially the background. He added all of the fans watching the curling event, and he even drew the target over there on the right side. Now, the fifth winner is Holder, and he's 7 years old, and look at his drawing. What did he draw?
He drew the biathlon.
Yeah, biathlon, but who's doing the shooting?
Soho Ring.
Yeah, the mascot for the Winter Olympics. His creativity is so awesome on this one.
Yeah.
I love it so much. He even has the standings down there. Soho Ring is in first place. He must be a really good shot.
Yeah.
Now, the sixth winner is...
Daya.
Yeah, I think that's how you say her name, Daya. She's 8 years old, and she drew a picture of the bobsledding team and also the figure skating. And where's she from?
Canada.
Yeah, she's from Canada. And she also drew the mascots down here in the bottom. She drew Soho Ring and also the bear mascot, which I can't remember his name.
Yeah.
Now, the seventh winner is actually two people, and their names are...
Cruz and Izzy.
Cruz is 6 years old and Izzy is 8. Look at all of their art. Now, they're holding up art in front of them, but they also got a lot of art hanging up behind them.
Yeah.
Now, I love that Cruz drew the snowboarder and he added trees and snow. And then Izzy also drew a figure skater, and she did such a great job on coloring it and drawing the background. And our eighth winner is...
Hina.
Hina is 9 years old, and she's from America Samoa. And she drew the only athlete representing the small South Pacific island, the Kingdom of Tonga. He was in the cross-country ski event, and this drawing is from the opening ceremony, which was so cool to see him walk out there and represent his country.
Yeah.
Now, we said we were going to pick 8 winners, except how many did we pick?
10.
10. We got 2 more winners to announce.
Yes.
Okay, the 9th winner is...
Maya.
Maya's favorite winter sports is figure skating. And you know what I love so much about her drawing?
What?
How much color she added.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all the color. There's so much. And I love that there's a lot of details too. She even drew Soho Ring's face in the background.
Yeah.
Okay, now our 10th and final winner is...
John.
John's 7 years old. And what was his favorite event at the Olympics?
Men's hockey.
Yeah, men's hockey. And what did he draw a picture of?
The goalie.
The goalie, and he added a ton of details. I love it. He added the whole net and the flag in the background. He even drew the whole ice rink and the glass back there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did such a great job. Congratulations to all of the winners that we announced for a giveaway. Now, what are we gonna give them?
A $25 gift card to Amazon.
Now, parents, if your child was announced as one of the winners, please private message us on the same social account that you published their photo from. Also include your email address so we can send you that gift card to Amazon. Now, Jack, I think we should tell all of our art friends, even if they didn't win, that we love them.
We love you guys.
Yes, we love all of you very much. Even if you weren't selected as one of our winners, we still think you're an awesome artist. And we want to thank you for participating. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your favorite Olympic events. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.